What's up, everyone? Welcome to the video. Today we're going to take a look at how to change the battery in this Lincoln Smart Key remote fob. So this Lincoln key fob is going to use two CR2025 batteries, and I'll put a link in the description box of this video to where you can purchase these batteries if you're in need. The other thing I'm going to be using is a flathead screwdriver. So if we grab our fob and we take a look at the back of it, we see this button right here. What I'm going to do is take my finger and hold that button down, and then I'm going to take the screwdriver and get in this crack right here and just help lift up on that back cover of the case. Go ahead and pull that back cover off. Now what I'm going to do is take my screwdriver and I'm going to get in this, and I'm prying from what would be the top of the key fob if we're looking at it in that orientation. I'm going to go up to the top and there's this little space in here. I'm going to get my screwdriver in that and use it to pry out this circuit board in the middle. Once you get it started, it'll pull out like that. And then on the back side of that is where we see our batteries. Use my screwdriver to get these batteries out. I have some anti-corrosive gel in there, that's fine. That stays in there. We'll grab our new batteries and we're gonna install the first one with the plus side up, like that. Then get that little white plastic piece in there. And then I'm gonna install this one with the plus side down, like that. And now this is ready to snap back into place. What we want to do is line these two loops up down by the key ring down here. There's these two little metal notches that those will sit on. So get those seated in place. And then once you have that in place, the whole thing will snap back down. Make sure you have that snapped all the way down in there. You can throw this back cover on. And there's this little tab down here that needs to slide in first, and then it'll just snap on like that. If you have any questions, please let me know. If you could take a second to like and subscribe, it helps us out, and I'd appreciate it. Thank you.